I think some of the best teaching methods for math is consistency, making things relevant. I like to use color so that kids can see the change in what we're doing as we work through the problems. Just being able to give them something that's relatable.
I do share teaching methods with other teachers. The geometry teachers do very similar activities. Sometimes our approach to them can be different, but we share all of our resources together. And I also teach Algebra 2 and College Algebra, same thing. We share our resources. Sometimes our approach looks a little different just depending on how our class handles things or what we know they need from us.
I think the hardest part for students when you look at math is it's a continuum. It's not like a biology class, for instance, where you have chapter 2 and you're dealing with something that is very different than chapter 3. In math, everything that you did in 6th grade is going to show up, relate to, combat, or make it difficult for you to do in 8th grade. And then the 8th grade content is going to show up again in 9th grade. So if you don't have a clear understanding early on, or there are gaps, it does create some difficulties in learning when you get into the high school especially.